A warm welcome to everyone present here. I am here to discuss on the topic Sieve Analysis based on design thinking concepts introduced in teaching methods. So everyone know what is the purpose of Sieve Analysis. It is the process of classifying the soil based on particle sizes. So we are trying to implement design thinking concepts inside this Sieve Analysis topics. So DT based content delivery comprises of 5 stages of design thinking: empathize, define, ideate, prototype and test. So we have collected different type of soil samples from different zones across Coimbatore. We have conducted tests and we have find out what is the problem regarding poor gradation of soil. For example, if the soil is poorly graded, it is not suitable for construction. That is a major problem we have encountered among various sites in and around Coimbatore. So, in order to ascertain whether the soil is well graded or poorly graded, Sieve Analysis is one of the important tests in finding out the gradation of soil. So, after performing Sieve Analysis test, we can find out whether the soil is either poorly graded or well graded. So, what is well graded means soil is composed of particles of equal sizes distributed in equal proportions. Whereas in case of poorly graded soil does not constitute particles of equal sizes in unequal proportions. In that case, it will be not suitable for various construction activities such as filling, foundation, etc. So it is recommended we have to use well-graded soil in construction. So let us discuss this topic based on design thinking based delivery. So you can start. Guru Prasad can start with empathize stage.
Understand why Sieve analysis is important in real world in civil project, and how improve the soil classification and group grading and can lead to their engineering failure, and use empathy map to highlight their engineering, contracting and local impact by their soil planning.
So very good idea. We have well explained what is empathy is. So we have to collect opinion of various users, contractors, so that we can have an idea of the performance of soil and also its uses and also its application in various fields. So over to Vishant. So what are the problems we can define from the collected empathy?
So the inadequate soil gradation may lead to many disadvantages. Like the soil gradation is more important for any kind of buildings or construction. The soil grade plays an important role, like maintaining the stability and durability of the structure. So the main is to soil gradation leading to poor foundation and stability in any construction areas.
Okay, we have defined the problem statement. What problem is use of poorly graded soil in construction is the main problem. We have to collect samples from various construction sites, perform Sieve analysis and find out whether it is capable of performing using it further during construction process. For that purpose only we have implemented Sieve analysis to categorize the soil whether it is capable of performing or not. This classification is a major role, plays a vital role in soil maintenance. So over the question.
So I think there are several methods which have been suggested, such as visual inspection, field density test, and Sieve analysis. We just choose Sieve analysis.
So there are different methods of classifying the soil through visual inspection, field density, finding out the field density and Sieve analysis. Out of the list possible solutions we have chosen Sieve analysis. It will be the best solution for finding gradation of soil. So it is a good idea. Harshad. So over to Sriram. For various testing.
Test to compare the gradation with MO, RTH, or IF Indian Standard Code. To define the stability and propose the soil improvement if required. Example, soil mixed with gravel. Soil is more than 4.65 mm is gravel. So you want to segregate the difference.
So you have chosen testing methods, various testing methods, and classifying the soil, whether it is in compliance with Indian standards such as Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, and also BS, Bureau of Indian Standards. So they have to compare the test results and find out whether it is complying with the various specific code and provisions and standards. So that is the main objective and the outcome of testing. So this is one of the prototype I will be showing you here using virtual lab. This is one of the method used to perform Sieve analysis. How to perform Sieve analysis with the help of virtual lab. So shall I come up stage? So sieves are placed on the milling balance and soil sample is taken for the required quantity and it is made to pass through the set of sieves. After that it is kept on the sieve shaker and the lid is closed, and after that it is made to vibrate with the sieve shaker. After that, the weight of soil retained on each sieve is noted. So this is the test result obtained during this simulation. We have taken 100 grams of soil and it is allowed to pass through various set of sieves, and the weight of soil retained on each sieve is noted. The cumulative weight of soil retained on each sieve should be equal to the total weight of soil retained. So this is the graph, gradation graph. This represents, the blue line represents the well-graded soil and this brown line represents uniformly graded soil. The difference between well-graded and uniformly graded means well-graded contains soil particles of different sizes in equal proportions, whereas in uniformly graded soil contains same diameter of particles in equal proportion. Different diameters in different proportions comes under well-graded. Same diameter of particles in maximum proportion holds good for uniformly graded soil. So this is the Sieve analysis procedure using simulation. So without going to the laboratory, we have studied